Hello everybody, this is TJ here and welcome to my YouTube channel English Guru Learn to Speak English with TJ. A good listener is good learner and a good learner is good speaker one day eventually. A small change today is going to be huge one day. Learning is a process. It is long process. It's a long road. It takes certain time you know to get result, but learning is a long process. You got to learn so many things while going. So same thing happens here in English communication skill. If you have strong desire to speak in English, then it's a long road. We have to remember that learning is a process. It is not ending. It is for permanent. It is not ending. Learning is not ending process. It is, we have to learn each and every time something. And if you are a good listener, then you are a good learner. You can be good learner, and if you are good, if you can be a good learner, then you can be a good speaker one day. I said eventually, end of the day you would be a very good speaker. What happens normally, I tell you, we have strong desire to speak fluent English, but we don't have that much ability to go to put in that, to put some efforts. And what are the efforts? These efforts are subconscious, subconsciously. Just we should have that ability to do. We what happens normally, we look for result very soon. We want instant result. We are looking for result very soon. Means if I start something today and I want result very soon, in 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, and if we don't get that, then we be nervous, we be frustrated, we be demotivated, and we stop doing these things. It is applicable for each and everything, not only in communication. It is applicable for in business also, in your life also. You should not worry about the result. You will definitely get the result, but you should go with a certain methods for it, instead of using any shortcuts. There is no any shortcuts for getting good success. Success, whatever success you have right now, it will be huge one day, no doubt about it. Just go on that part. A small change today is going to be huge one day. So if you want to speak fluent natural English, spontaneous English, then what you need to do, you need to be a good listener. If you are a good listener, then you're a good learner. And then if you are a good learner, then you can be a good speaker one day. Not today, not tomorrow. It will take certain time. We need to give certain time for each and everything to get proper result, to get positive result. That is the only thing. While talking, you just start talking, definitely you'll get result. But don't wait for result. Just go ahead, talk, practice. Just go ahead talking. What happens, why we do here, what the thing is stopping us to speak spontaneous in English, is that we think too much about language, we think too much about the result, we think too much about the rules and regulations, and that's what demotivates us. Don't think about it, because language, to speak language, we don't want any kind of talent or anything else. Just whatever we have in that, we can just go ahead talking. So the thing is, if you talk, then you can talk, that's it. Otherwise you cannot. For talking, you got to talk, that's it. If you want to speak fluent English, then you got to talk, you got to start talking. And definitely there will be many mistakes while talking, because everybody makes mistakes, no doubt. And from mistakes only we learn. And to talk English, you're not hurting anyone by talking. So there is no, you're not insulting also anyone by talking, by using language. So why you worry? Instead, you are just focusing yourself and you're going ahead. And there are so many good people out there. They'll definitely help you to, if you start speaking, they'll definitely help you. So if you make mistakes, no problem, because if you make mistakes, then you're gonna remember that forever. What if you get after the right way. So to use, to speak fluent, just use right ways. There are so many videos on YouTube, and there are so many people teach English. There are so many good friends out there. They talk, and they can be also your guru while talking in English. Because if you should have that ability to learn. If that's what I said, if you are a good listener, then definitely you're gonna be good learner. And if you will be a good learner, then definitely you will be a good speaker one day. This is a process. Language learning is a process, and it takes time, and it is depend how you take it. If you take it easy, no problem, you'll get the result definitely. Not today, it will take certain time, and for that you got to be ready. And if you have that strong motivation to speak in English, then you have to focus and you have to go on it. You need to talk, you need to meet different people, you need to find community to speak in English. These are the things I always tell. Nobody gonna help you, nobody's gonna help you guys unless you start, unless you help yourself. So guys, start today itself. Don't look out, don't look back behind, just go ahead talking. Because don't think about the mistakes. Definitely, the person who is beginner, who is learning, he'll definitely make, he or she will make many mistakes, but from mistakes only we learn, we get good lesson. So guys, go ahead talking. That is my intention. I always motivate my friends in, always motivate my students in my classroom to make them, confident. I just tell them these all things to motivate them. Just go ahead talking. So everybody has, now I'm talking good. Then I was not the same before some years. I was also lacking something, I was also committing many mistakes. And after all making mistakes, I got ways. I just tried to speak people around. I just found different communities, those who talk good in English, and then I just became trained, and I just talk, I just teach also. So guys, to be motivated, just see this video and just try to told you that, be a good listener, then you will be good learner, and then you will be definitely eventually you will be a good speaker. That is the thing. Just need to have some confidence, and to confidence means just to, overcome on fear. That is the only thing. Don't get worried about, just go ahead talking, and talk normally, make fun, while talking, no problem. It will raise your confidence, it will boost your confidence, right? And it will boost your brain to talk in, right? It's kind of natural training, to talk in English. That is the only thing, that's what the thing, makes you change. So this is all for this video. I just wanted to make you, motivated to go ahead talking. And for talking, no need to worry, just go ahead talking. That's it. If you want to be fluent in English to talk, then you got to start right now. A small change today is gonna be huge one day. That's it. And don't wait for result. Definitely there would be result, and that would be positive result, I'd say you. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please do share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye everybody.